Okay, a quick video of how far I've gotten along so far. I'm pretty close to finished what I can do for the hardware part of it. Then Colin is going to have to do the wiring because that's where I'm lost. I managed to make up my own little coil unplug system here, and it works quite well. I mean, whether it works quite well, I haven't proved yet, but they fit quite nicely. They're on there quite firm. Fuel rails are done. As you can see, the manifold is on and bolted down. I do need to put a couple of hose clamps around that to hold it tighter. As you can see, that's a bigger throttle body than it came with. Anyway, trigger reel sensor is on there. I'm going to take that off, cut an angle there to make it a little tidier. That there needs to be taken off and get the rust off and painted or something, to powder coated something to seal it so it won't rust. And of course, the intake manifold, sorry, not the intake manifold, the filter box has got a couple of sensors in. The tube that goes nice and straight through, nice easy flow, which is replacing the airflow meter. And of course that will run on manifold pressure instead. Yeah, so that's about how far I've gotten now. There's just a little bit left to do before I hand it over to Colin and wait for Colin to have time for it so he can finish it up. Of course, I got to put the radiator back in and so on.